Okay, so every time the chorus comes around, 4, 2, and 1, right?
This is day 2 of my 2 days in Dublin itinerary.
The Land Rover for an easy year.
Good morning. We found ourselves at Drimnagh Castle, and it's a little bit of a hidden gem because it's actually really close to our Airbnb. So we decided we'd take a walk over here just to see what it looks like, and it's a little bit of a hidden gem because there's nobody really here. So I like little things like that. So what do you think of this?
It's small, cute, but with lots of content.
And one thing that I really thought was really cool is that this castle actually has a moat still around it, which is actually pretty cool because most of the castles that we visit, they drain the moat, and this one still has the moat around, which is actually quite cool. This medieval castle has over 700 years of history. In the beautiful garden and courtyard, there's a portrait of Lady Eleanora de Barnewell, who is rumored to have been a maid, a bride, and a widow all in the same day. Oh, and she haunts the castle. Just thought you should know. Next stop, Guinness. Now, this black stuff has had a hold on me for quite some time now. In fact, I'm enjoying one right now as I narrate this for you. We have just left St. James Gate, and now we're heading to the Guinness Storehouse for a Guinness tour. As most of you guys know, Guinness is one of my favorite beers, so I'm very excited about this tour. I think, Gordy, you're gonna try to drink Guinness or no?
Maybe. I'm not quite sure.
All right, so we'll see how she does. I don't know. But I'm very excited about this. I have to drink a Guinness for quite a few people back home. Some of my travel peeps, they want me to drink a Guinness for them. I have some friends that want me to drink a Guinness for them. So, I don't know. I'll try. I mean, I'll take one for the team, but I don't know. It's going to be pretty tough. But I'll do my best. Dublin's most famous visitor attraction is the Guinness Storehouse. Right here on the site of St. James's Gate Brewery is where the legendary drink has been brewed since 1759. And get this, over 50 million barrels of Guinness are produced every year from this very location. We are inside the Guinness Storehouse, and we are going to be drinking Guinness. Big surprise. Did you think we were going to drink something else? No. Then after this, we're going to go to the Jameson one. So we can have beer and then whiskey right after.
What do you mean Jameson?
Jameson is their whiskey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, like you're going to have some.
I'll give mine to you.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. All right. Jameson Distillery has been producing blended Irish whiskey for over 2 centuries. To put it in perspective, they've been producing whiskey through 2 world wars, an Irish Civil War, and even the American Prohibition. Hence the family motto, San Metu, Latin for without fear, which you'll find on their logo. This one's for Donna. Very good whiskey. Since 1780, John Jameson has perfected the triple distilled process for its smooth-tasting Irish whiskey, and the Bow Street experience will teach you everything you need to know about it.
Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take up our Jameson in our hand, the one in the centre. And we're going to tilt it to a 45-degree angle. We're going to slowly twirl the glass around so that we're coating the inside of the glass with the whiskey. Once you've done that, if you hold it up to where the light is. And what you'll see is a coating of whiskey around the inside of the glass, and where you twirl it around, you should also be seeing small droplets starting to form and falling down the inside of the glass. Can you see them? Anyone know what their nickname is?
Two tours completed. We just did the Guinness tour, and we just finished the Jameson tour, and I'm completely sloshed right now. I don't even know if I could walk straight. I don't really think it's a good idea to mix
Guinness with whiskey.
Guinness with whiskey.
And actually do it for 2 people, not for 1.
Okay. Yeah, because I had Olive Gordana's as well because she doesn't drink alcohol. So I don't know. I've had double of everything, and I'm completely sloshed. So I had a beer for everybody, and I had whiskey for everybody,
Then we got some gratis thing.
and so I don't know. I think we're going to some church that is turned into a bar, and after that we're going in. And after that we're going to see some river dance show, right?
Yep.
Yeah, a river dance show at the Arlington Hotel. So that's just an update. I'm gonna put my camera gear away before I drop something. The church is located in the former St. Mary's Church, which was built in the beginning of the 18th century. When St. Mary's closed in 1964 and lay abandoned for several years until John Keaton purchased it in 1997. Over 7 years, it went through an extensive restoration, eventually reopening its doors in December 2005 as John M. Keaton's Bar, then renamed the Church Bar and Restaurant. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So they completely changed that church into a cafe, bar, and restaurant. I guess it's a great use of space. But I don't know. Anyways, next stop is we're gonna go off to the Arlington Hotel to go see like a river dance type of show. So that should be fun. Yes, I'm looking forward to that. The last stop is at the Arlington Hotel O'Connell Bridge for Celtic Nights, which is a lively mix of traditional Irish dance rhythms with ridiculously impressive footwork and legendary Irish songs. This evening was like the perfect culmination of everything I've learned and loved about Dublin and Ireland. Okay, so our final stop for the evening is this hotel called Arlington Nights, and we are very excited to be here because they're going to have typical Irish dancing. It's like the river dance. So I'm so excited to see that. So in the meantime, we're going to have some dinner because dinner is included. And I'm having black pudding or blood sausage or something like that. I don't know. It's typically Irish, so I'm going to try it. And let's see how it goes. Okay, so what are you having?
Also, I have a soup of the day with a fresh bread roll. What do you think? Mashed potato is absolutely amazing because I taste garlic in it.
Yeah. It tastes so good.
And stew is so rich.
Yeah. I can tell how it would be like filling, you know what I mean? Like wouldn't need to eat anything else after this. Like, this is fantastic. that's it for day 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell so you'll be notified of new videos. In the comments below, tell me the name of your favorite Irish bar in the city or town that you live in, or share your thoughts about Dublin. I'd love to hear them. That's it for me, Sláinte.
Okay, so every time the chorus comes around, 4, 2, and 1, right? Here we go. Well, I've been the Land Rover for many a year. No. That's a verse right there. So. Now we have to start again. Well, I've been the Land Rover for many a year. No. That's a verse. Tell me about when I go home, the boys will leave the girls alone. That's actually a different song. Oh, where you get there? Well, I've been the Land Rover for many a year. I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. Now we're returning, let's go in the great store. I never will play the Land Rover no more, and it's no, they never. No, they never no more. We'll play the Land Rover no, never, no more. Oh, we're getting there. Well, I went into an alehouse. I used to free coins. I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me no. So she crossed the west doors, I don't have any day, and it's no, they never. No, they never, no more. We'll play the Land Rover. No, never, no more. We get some rental.